What color is the banana? Yellow. Good morning, guys. It's 8:37 in the morning, and I'm gonna go to Horsetail Falls with my dad. 2 hikes in a row. I'm pretty stoked. I'll see you guys on the road, and I'll see you guys when we get to the trailhead. What's up, party people? Anywho, I'm at the trailhead now. Gosh, I love the outdoors. I love the outdoors so much. Sorry. Can you even? It's not even that. I can't really see the screen. I don't really know what I'm doing right now, but I'm pretty excited to go hiking right now. 2 days in a row. My back's a little tired, but you know what? You gotta want it. You gotta want it. Let's do this, guys. I don't know if you can hear me because it's super loud, but anywho, we're gonna try and make it to where the waterfall comes down, I guess, or it crashes. I don't really know what the word for that is, but anyway, I'll see you guys there. But yeah, that's definitely the goal. We actually didn't plan to do that, but you know, it's kind of spontaneous, so it's chill. Don't even worry about it. See you guys then. What's up, guys? I guess I'm at the beginning of the trailhead again, maybe? I don't know. That's the map right there. Boom. Look at that. Yep. Hey, that's what I did the other day. Go check out that video. And most states getting that high is a felony. I wonder if you can see it from here. Oh, you can. What? Sweet. See you guys. Oh no, I can't lie. This is pretty sweet. What's up, guys? Welcome to MTV Cribs.
What's up, y'all? Big Snoop Deal Double G. I want to welcome y'all to my house, the dog house. Slide in.
Best part about hiking, you can really set up anywhere you want. So, my backyard has a waterfall. Does your backyard have a waterfall? I don't think so. Look at all the closet space I got too. Yep. I guess the only downside is there's no Walmart, Target, any grocery stores within like an hour of me, but other than that, I think it's fine. Hope y'all like the house tour. What's up, people? I'm about to jump in the water right now. I'm so excited. You know, up there it was way too fast. And you guys seen my swimming form. I'm not there yet, but give me like 2 weeks, I got you. Don't even worry about it. Alright guys, what's up? Hella just hopped in. Felt super nice. I thought it was gonna be colder, then again it is in the middle of July, so. But yeah, felt super good. Just frolicking, dancing, playing in the water. We're about to head back now. We're about to head out now. See you guys back at home. Alright guys, we just finished up Horsetail Falls. Such a good hike, super fun. I remember doing it as a kid, and I never gone back. Actually, I've gone back a couple times, but not to that extent. But we went towards the waterfall more and more, which was pretty cool. Sorry, I know it's super windy, sorry. But yeah, went to the waterfall, damn near the base of it. That's the highest I've ever gone. It was pretty fun. It wasn't too hard. I could see how it could be hard, but it wasn't too hard. It wasn't too hard. People unprepared definitely would consider it hard. It's very steep, pretty rocky. I get it. What's up, guys? I went to the store.
Leaving my hair.
Messing up my clip, man. Okay. I got butterscotch soda. It's so dark, sorry. And also, I got me an Nalgene bottle. That's the go. Shout out, Dad. Thanks, Dad. And then, look at this. On my keys, I don't know if you can see it. On my keys, I have a bottle opener. I don't know. There's not enough leverage. But I make it happen, so there's enough leverage, so it's fine. It literally went under the car. How unfortunate is that? It tastes pretty good. Oh. Alright. See you guys in the next clip. What's going on, guys? I took a fat nap. Hold on, sorry, I'm rotating it. Shout out to my dad for driving, because I hella fell asleep. Hella just cacked. I don't know what I'm showing you guys. I'm just showing you guys I got home safely. But if you're watching this, you already know I got home safely. See you guys. Actually, do I have anything else to say? Horsetail Falls is fun. That's about it. I think also that was a pretty fun hike because it wasn't too hard, and also there was water at the end. Like, I love hiking when there's water involved. I think I'd rather swim in a lake though, because I also feel like swimming in a lake is more like freeing than a river, because the river, like, you're more confined and probably it's more dangerous. But I guess they have both pros and cons. I'm gonna take a nap, but I'll see you guys later. Is it going?
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Okay, basically, hi guys. I'm at Tao's Hot Pot. Shout out Tina. Tina, you're the GOAT for giving me 2 scoops of ice cream when only I'm allowed to have 1. Strawberry and matcha. Shout out to my sister for the awesome cinematography too. Or videography. What's the difference? Whatever. Anywho, basically, I didn't bring the camera. That's why I use my phone. So if it's a little different, sorry guys. And yeah, I'll see you. Hey, what is up, people? I'm so happy because I just ate dinner. And from the last clip you saw, shout out Tina. And I told her to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and she did. I told her to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and she did. So Tina, if you're watching this, you're the GOAT. The bond we've built over these years, unbreakable. Absolutely unbreakable. Anywho, I'm gonna go for post-dinner walk right now. I'll see you guys when I get back. What's up, guys? That was my day. Anywho, I finished dinner. Dinner was great. I want our post-dinner walk. It's about, it's an early night. I'll get this vlog posted pretty early. Cover that up. What the heck? It's 9:40. I'm so excited. I have 100 subscribers! You guys are so goated. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. Well, I know what I'm doing tomorrow, but I can't say on camera. Obviously, it ruins the fun. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. I have a list because I have teeth whitening stuff. But I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And I don't know. Today's a pretty good day. Meh. 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 You guys are awesome. Thanks to all my viewers and subscribers and all that craw. I'm so tired. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna post it. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.